Is it already recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
My hair?
Oh my.
My hair is closer.
Wait, I couldn't get in my face.
I'm not on your
He's not gonna hit your face, bro.
Nah, I'll try to get it.
This is what happens when you can't go to the airsoft place.
Alright.
It's on auto.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
Hold on. Let me get. Go for it. Go. Stop. Hey George, come out here. Oh. Can we see? Can we see, George? Is that all? Yeah. Yeah, that shit. Let me see. Let me see, George.
I don't want to go on Friday. Fuck it.
That's why you have to wear long sleeves, bro.
Dude.
He's okay. It's not. It didn't even go like below the first layer of
My
skin.
ass hurts too.
Really? Did you get him the? Really? Can we see his?
Back,
Can we see your back and shit?
Hell nah.
Yeah.
Give it time.
Hey, fucking towel.
No, he's okay. It's just like a little bit.
I ain't going on Friday.
You really not gonna go Friday?
Fuck that. You can.
You have to wear that's why you have to wear thick clothes, bro.
That's why you yo hit, fool. You yo hit.
Yeah.
I can't scream. That's it there.
That sucks, man.
Dude.
Hey, how did I get this side?
Well,
Cause I went like this and then
yeah,
I
he turned
like
around.
this.
Yeah.
Your back?
No, not really, dude. This is what hurts more.
Yeah. No, see, no.
You have a shirt?
Yeah, cause see, this got you right in the skin, but the shirt is not gonna look like that. You know, it's not. This is not gonna look like that right there.
Hey, say that you went.
Skin.
Say that.
No, I'm just gonna say that we're playing. You got in my elbow too? Don't fuck around.
Yeah, you got hit in a lot of places, bro. Like I can see all the dents right here.
Imagine what it'll do to me. Because these little things fucking make me bleed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, it's just the impact. The after scene is
Did
the
you-
one.
did you get
So you saw me, I was like, alright, and then I already
All right.